Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. August the 18th, 2025. Big fat green candle at the KSE-100 today. More than 1700 points rise. So big that it completely erased the losses of the previous three trading sessions. But such a steep rise in such uncharted territory is always vulnerable to pullbacks. And this time it's not just volume but also volatility that deserves a little attention. Let's see. So this is here where we stand today. This, a 1704 point rise, a big candle that engulfs the previous 3 days trading ranges, erasing all of these losses. So on the plus side, price closed again above all major moving averages. ADX at 56.67 shows very strong trend. MACD line is above the signal line still, and the histogram is positive, slightly better than the previous day. But now let's consider the headwinds. Volume, again, better than the previous day, but not overly impressive considering the recent trend. Most importantly, take a look at the ATR. It is diminishing, which shows modest volatility contraction during the advance. Now, this is a very, very important point because this can be a double-edged sword. Because on the one hand, this suggests that the advance is being achieved with a progressively smaller average daily range, a sign of controlled, orderly buying rather than erratic momentum. While that underlines trend stability, no doubt, it also warns that compressed volatility can precede sudden expansion, often in the form of a sharp shakeout or counter move if participation thins. So volume will also be very important. If you are having a consistently higher high, high low paradigm, but you do not have volatility and volume supporting it, so the risk of a snapback or a pullback becomes that much more real. So while we are very aware of a very firm, very stable, very fundamentally bullish market, we are also aware of the potential pitfalls. So now this is what we'll be looking at for the next couple of trading sessions. Volume especially and the ATR. Stay tuned.